This is a 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the appearance package, a navigation system, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, dual cargo area lights, variable valve timing, tinted glass, OnStar, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, an unattended headlight warning chime, and this vehicle has fewer than 18,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.